Meghalaya's Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh reported today that the process of relocating vendors from Khandailat is almost complete. He mentioned that the state government and the Directorate of Tourism are still finalizing the identification of vendors and their trades with efforts aimed at improving their welfare.
Even the hawkers feel involved and that we are doing things in their interest as well. We are, as I told you, we are enhancing facilities for their welfare, including proper vending zones. Now, yesterday itself, I had spoken to the CEO of the Shillong Municipal Board, and he has given me the latest situation, picture of the latest situation, which is that they are relocating. Vending zones have been identified. Now they are going into individual cases as to which individuals will occupy which space depending on their trade and the kind of activities that they are undertaking. So, but we are inching towards closing this chapter. And yesterday, also had a separate meeting with the Director of Tourism in order to ensure that we have an alternative plan in mind, which is to turn that area into a hawker free zone and an area where only pedestrians can utilize. I can't give you a definite time frame but we are closing very soon, and we will make this fresh announcement because our target was August 15, but the identification of trades and the names of individuals, this has taken more time than expected. The issue of hawkers is being resolved, and it will not take much more time.
Paul Lyngdoh also commented on the recent unrest in Bangladesh that has led to concerns among residents near the international border. He explained that discussions have occurred between the chief ministers of Meghalaya and Assam about the issue. He highlighted that the sixth schedule protects the state, allowing traditional leaders to take action against foreign encroachment in areas governed by the autonomous district councils.
You must have realized that the state government has taken this matter very seriously, which is why in the last couple of days, our chief minister and home minister have met both the union home minister as well as the chief minister of Assam. I will be meeting the CM tomorrow and will get more insight into the details of their discussions, which I can then share with you. But we are happy that we have got the full support of the center on the matter, and that till date there has been no major skirmishes or acts of violence in the international border which we share with Bangladesh. Well, we're fortunate that we have a very powerful instrument called the Sixth Schedule. Our Department of Arts and Culture has just commemorated the installation of a bust of Reverend Nichols Roy at Larity complex. Uh, Now, the very fact that the entire state of Meghalaya, all the scheduled areas of Meghalaya, do not fall under the CAA, that itself is a protective mechanism. And whoever tries, even using force, to settle in any of the villages, are Dorbar Shnongs are present everywhere. And also, please recall that we have already gone ahead with the idea of reviving the village defense parties throughout the state. These will effectively combat any major challenges in the respective villages, and also seek the support of the police wherever that is required.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057, 94851 58603, 700-505-7728, 8794 250646.